I am going to show you how to do a twist out style on natural hair. For this style, I use some hair clips, a spray bottle with water, the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner, a plastic bag, a Denman brush, the olive oil mega moisture mousse, the peppermint tree tea oil, and a Y2 comb. First, I split my hair in 4 sections and use the water spray to revert my hair to its natural state. Next, I washed each section with the Aussie shampoo. I focused on the scalp and let the shampoo run through the rest of my hair when I rinsed it out. Now for the deep condition, I used a plastic bag, but you can use a shower cap if you like. And now I'm setting my iPhone timer to 25 minutes, and I did some other things while waiting. Once the timer stopped, I rinsed only a little of the Aussie conditioner out of my hair. So I went ahead and skipped to the last twist to show the process, which is to detangle the section of the twist and add the olive oil mega moisture mousse and work the product through the hair and then 2-strand twist it. I did 5 twists in 4 sections, totaling to 20 twists. Now for bedtime, I put a black bonnet on my hair and let the twists dry overnight. Also, you can tie your hair down with the hair scarf if you like. It's morning time and it's time to take the hair down. First, I put the Peppermint Tea Tree Oil all over my hair. Next, I separate all 20 twists. Then I separate the hair even more. I also used a wide tooth comb to pick out my hair and to separate all the parts that I may have caused with my hands or the comb when separating my hair in those 4 sections. The total style time was 3 hours. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get a notification whenever I post a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching.